Om. Today's subject of talk is Sankirtan Yoga. Sankirtan is singing God's name with feeling bhav, love, prem and faith, shraddha. In Sankirtan, people join together and sing God's name collectively in a common place. Sankirtan is one of the 9 modes of bhakti. You can realize God through Kirtan alone. It is the easiest method for attaining God realization. In Kali Yuga or the Iron Age, Kalau Keshava Kirtana, when several people join together and practice Sankirtan, a huge spiritual current or Mahashakti is generated. This purifies the heart of the aspirants and elevates them to the sublime heights of divine ecstasy and samadhi. The powerful vibrations are carried out to distant places. They bring elevation of mind, solid strength to all people and work as a harbinger of peace, harmony and concord. They annihilate hostile forces and quickly bring peace and bliss to the whole world. Lord Hari says to Narad, Daham vasami vaikunte yogi ram hridecha nacha madbhakta yatra ghayanti tatra tisthami narada. I dwell not in Vaikuntha nor in the hearts of the yogis, but I dwell where my devotees sing my name, O Narad. Kirtan destroys sins, vasanas and samskaras, fills the heart with prem and devotion and brings the devotee face to face with God. Akhanda Kirtan is very powerful. It purifies the heart. The Mahamantra Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, or Om Namah Shivaya is sung continuously for 2 hours or 24 hours, 3 days or a week. You will let form batches. One will lead, others will follow. Do Akhanda Kirtan on Sundays or holidays. Do Prabhati Piri Kirtan in the morning around the streets. Kirtan in the early morning is more effective than Kirtan at night. At night, sit before the picture of the Lord, along with your children, family members and servants. Do Kirtan for 1 or 2 hours. Be regular in the practice. You will derive immense peace and strength. Sing the Lord's name from the bottom of your heart. Be wholly and solely devoted to Him. Delaying God realization is extremely painful. Merge in Him, live in Him, be established in Him. May peace and prosperity abide in you all. Lokas samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om.